High performance is the dream of every organization, but the truth is very few achieve it. The difference is rarely about resources or technology. The real difference lies in leadership. Over the past decade, research and practice have shown us that high performance organizations share a few critical leadership strategies. Let's explore three that matter most. First, clarity of vision and purpose. People don't perform at their best when they are simply told what to do. They perform at their best when they understand why it matters. Effective leaders define a compelling vision, articulate the organization's purpose, and connect every individual's role to that bigger picture. When employees see meaning in their work, commitment and energy rise dramatically. Microsoft under Satya Nadella is a great example. By reshaping the company's purpose to empower every person and every organization to achieve more, Nadella transformed the culture and reignited innovation. Second, building a culture of trust and accountability. High performance is not built on fear or control. It thrives on trust. Google's famous Project Aristotle study confirmed that the single most important factor for team success is psychological safety, the confidence that you can speak up, take risks, and even make mistakes without fear of blame. But trust alone is not enough. The most effective leaders pair trust with accountability. They create an environment where people feel safe, yet also responsible for delivering results. That balance is where excellence emerges. Third, disciplined execution. Ideas and strategies are valuable, but they mean little without consistent follow through. Great leaders turn strategy into action by setting clear priorities, translating them into measurable goals, and ensuring consistent progress through strong systems. This discipline in execution is what allows high performance organizations to achieve results again and again, even under pressure. Think of Toyota's leadership approach, a relentless focus on continuous improvement where discipline and innovation work hand in hand. When you combine clarity, trust with accountability, and disciplined execution, something powerful happens. Teams align, energy flows, and performance becomes a habit, not a one-time achievement. High performance organizations don't happen by chance. They are built day by day through leaders who understand how to inspire, empower, and execute with purpose. And that's the essence of leadership for high performance.